She watched her brother go through there, so she decided, I have to go through the shortcut. I don't care how hard the shortcut is, I'm doing it. She's determined to get to Mommy in the kitchen. She's very upset that Mommy's not doing it for her. This whole crawling thing is just ridiculous. Mommy, I'm not supposed to have to do it. You're supposed to take me wherever I want to be. But that's my girl. She's determined and crazy. A couple more days and she's 6 months. You're going to make it all the way to the kitchen, aren't you? Go ahead, little whale. Don't. Just because you see your brother chew on it doesn't mean you should. Come into the kitchen. Olivia. Come into the kitchen. Come into the kitchen. You can do it. This way. Olivia, you're going to get stuck. The speaker.